Hello friend, how are you all today? I have brought another video for you which is very good. Today we are going to watch artificial intelligence. So let's start today's video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Artificial intelligence AI, the ability of a digital computer or computer controlled robot to perform tasks commonly associated with intelligent being. The term is frequently applied to the project of developing system endowed with the intellectual process characteristics of humans such as the ability of reason, discover meaning, generalize, or learn from past experience. Since the development of the digital computer in the 1940s, it has been demonstrated that computer can be programmed to carry out very complex tasks, as for example discovering proofs for mathematical theorems and playing chess with great proficiency. Still, despite continuing advances in computer processing speed and memory capacity, there are as yet no program that can match human flexibility over wider domain or in tasks requirely much everyday knowledge. On the other hand, some programs have attained the performance level of human experts and professionals in performing certain specific tasks, so that artificial intelligence in the limited sense is found in application as diverse as medical diagnosis, computer search engines, and voice or hardworking recognition. What is intelligence? Albeit the simplest human behavior is ascribed to intelligence, while even the most complicated insect behavior is never taken as indication of intelligence. With the what is the difference? Consider the behavior of the digger wasp. Suffix inverts with when the female wasp returns to her burrow with food, she first deposits it on the threshold, check for it right inside the burrow, and only then, if the coast is clear, carries her food inside. The real nature of wasp instinctual behavior is revealed if the food is moved a few inches away from the entrance her burrow. While she is inside, on emerging, she will repeat the whole procedure as often as the food is displaced. Intelligent, conspicuously appendix in the case of specs must include the ability to adapt to new circumstances. Physiologists generally do not characterize human intelligence by just one trait, but by the combination of many diverse abilities. Research in AI has focused chiefly on the following component of intelligent learning: reasoning, problem solving, perception, and using language learning. There are number of different forms of learning as applied to artificial intelligence. The simplest is learning by trial and error. For example, a simple computer program for solving mate in one chess problem might try moves at random until mate is found. The program might then store the solution with the position next to the next time the computer incorporated the same position, it would recall the solution. This simple memorizing of individual items and procedures known as rote learning is relatively easy to implement on a computer. More challenging is the problem of implementing with what is called generalizing. Generalizing involves applying past experience to analogs new situations. For example, a program that learned the past tense of regular English verb by rote will not be able to produce the past tense of the word such as jump unless it previously had been presented with jump, whereas a program that is able to generalize can learn the added rule and so form the past. Reasoning. To reason is to draw inferences appropriate to the situation. Inferences are classified as either deductive and inductive. An example of the former is Fred must be in either the museum or the cafe. He is not in the cafe, therefore he is the museum, and the latter previous accident of this sort were caused by instrument failure, therefore this accident was caused by instrument failure. The most significant difference between these forms of reasoning is that in the deductive case, the truth of the premises guarantees the truth of the conclusion, whereas in the inductive case, the truth of the premise lends support to the conclusion without giving absolute assurance. Inductive reasoning is common in science, where data is collected and tentative models are developed to describe the predict future behavior until the appearance of the anomalous data forces the model to be revised. Deductive reasoning is common in mathematics and logic, where elaborate structures of irrefutable theorems are built up from a small set of basic axioms and rules. So today's video is over. How did you like our video? Let us know in the comments. See you in the next video.